Yes, I have to come clean for my besties concerning how much I made from my live streaming with Restream. On the view, I got 0.5 thereabouts million views. How much did I make from that? Because the question, in fact, some people even they're like, "How much did you make? Is this one, that one?" So I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, I'm going to be transparent. So it's not left for you to know whether you will continue live streaming or not. So remember, I'm going to tell you this live streaming is a two-way thing. Yeah, you earn during the live stream and you also earn after the live stream. So how do you earn during? I have made a video on how you can turn it on, all the ads monetization icon on, so that when you are on a live stream, the advert people watch when they come into your live stream, you earn from it. And then when your live stream ends, when your live stream ends, you start seeing that the views that are there is different from the views that you got when you ended the live stream. Likewise, the watch hour and everything. So that's how it does in the earning as well. So when you are on a live stream, it will be accumulating earnings from AdSense, from the super chats, super stickers, and super thanks. Yes, but when you end it, they will not start reading from that time you ended it. You start reading from 1 view, 2 view to 1,000 view. That's when the advertisers pay you, and that's when YouTube also pay you. From the 1,000 view you get after how do I put it, after you finish your live stream. So that means all the views you have gotten during the live stream doesn't count when you end it. I hope you're getting what I'm saying, because I don't know if I'm confusing or I'm getting it right. So that is it. I'm going to be showing you on my phone how much I made from that video and other subsequent videos. I will not know. Tell me in the comment section if it worth it or if it doesn't worth it. So here we go. So I'm going to first of all show you the overview of it. So we are in my app studio now. So here, the first one you are seeing, I don't know if you can see it. Yes, that's my, it's not the restroom, that's my monetization party. I got 19.39 cents dollars from it. Then the one that has the big view, I got $9. Yes, so let's open it. It's opening. So you can see that 9 point something view you saw. Look at the view that is there now. 242. That is the view that it is reading as of now. So it's only when it gets to 1,000 that's when I'm going to earn from it. So the $9 that you are seeing is the one that earned during the live streaming, and the little that have already entered from the after the live streaming, and then the super chat. Then the watch hour, I got 9,000 watch hour, but now the watch hour here is 1.5, and then the subscribers here is just 2, while it gave me 3,000 plus views, and then the revenue is 8.3.35. So the reach, how do they get it? So people they search my name, Chamaka Kumabo, that's the YouTube search, and then Fish Cotton Asma, that is it. And then the external site is Ogogo and WhatsApp, that is the external. I don't know if you're seeing this. Yes, and then content suggesting it. There are a lot of content, including mine and other people that are suggesting it. Then let's go to engagement. Yeah, the engagement is just not much. After the intro, the audience retention is 0.14, because they just want to see how I did the live streaming. So you can see that after the live stream, nobody is watching the live stream, just the little ones that go there just to check how I did the live streaming, so that they can also get an idea and do there. So the retention is just 0.14. And then the audience both 13 to 17. I don't have it, just I don't have kids there. And then into up until 65 years, you can see the audience are massive, those that are watching it, the age there, the gender, male, as in the male is 73.9. That means male like the live rest stream more, because all my rest stream, the audience in gender is the gender, they are all male. That's in 80-90% of it are male. Then the top geography that watches it is India, just like I said in my last video. India. The second one is the United States, Indonesia, Russia, South Africa. That is the major top 5 that watches the video. But the major one is India. That is to show you, India people, most of them will not come and watch my long form video. And that is one of the disadvantage I talked about. They can come to your live stream to watch your live stream and all that. But when it comes to your long form video, they are not going to show up. So where are we? Then the main revenue. So you can see that I got super chat, I got ads, and then the live performance of the estimated revenue. The estimated revenue is 9.02. Oh, I don't know if you're seeing this 9 points. Then the ads are placed during the live streaming. I got 1.12. That's I got $1. Then after the live streaming, that's that did the replay. The replay is 0.33. So that's the cents. Then when it comes to how much advertisers pay, the as much advertisers are willing to pay is $4.41. And then when it comes to the revenue, the RPM, the RPM is 0.03 out of every 1,000 view. That's the accounting after you have finished, doing the rest stream. So with this now, you can tell me whether you want to continue with the rest streaming or why if you don't want to. But mind you, if you're just at home, there is no way you can get this $9. $9 may be up to 9,000 something or thereabout, because with the exchange rate now with dollar is 1,006 or 1,007 thereabout. So you can calculate it with $9 or $5. Then other ones, I think that's, you can see a lot of them, they have the relaxing, the first fish cutting I did, I got $7 from it. And the octopus, there's one I have $6, there's one I have $4, there's one that's $3, $2, $1. So I can see them here. So the highest there is, okay, the highest there is not it's not restaurant. So the highest there is this 1 million.4 views, which has what's it called, which has $9. So in all, my live streaming, aside the $19 I got on my monetization party, all of them on my live streaming has given me $64. Yeah, $64.35, as including the $19 from my monetization party. So does it worth it? Is it something that you want to continue? And if you want to continue, you have to continue with your own clip or your own video instead of using other people's video, in case if there's any issue, or maybe at the end of the day you did not edit it very well because of copyright claim or copyright strike. Yeah, so with this, it's not left for you if you want to continue with your rest streaming after you have gotten your 4,000 watch hour and and become a YouTube partner. So it's not left for you. Tell me in the comment section if the revenue is worth it and if it does not worth it. Let me know in the comment section. And if I watch up until this point, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And please watch my video, watch the ads, and watch to the end, and you will enjoy this channel. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.